How much does a treatment cost?
It's about 20% the cost of a replacement. So let's say a replacement is $10,000, then it's gonna be about $2,000 to treat it. So about 20% of replacement cost. That varies greatly across the country. Over the past 2 years, because of COVID, roofing materials and installation is about 30% more expensive, like so many things. It's gone up, nobody sees it coming back down. Typically in the roofing industry, we've not seen price decreases ever. And so it's just become part of the norm. So your average roof is now in that $14,000, $15,000 range to replace. You're going to see a much higher price for roof replacement or for Roof Maxx treatments in California or New York, as you would, let's say, in Ohio, where we're based out of, or Kentucky, middle America, so to speak. The cost of everything is more expensive, East and West Coast, of course.
But yeah, so across the board, prices going up on roofing. As you said earlier, the longevity of the roofing going down. Either way, that's a pretty tough situation, and this seems like a great solution for that.
Yeah, absolutely.